Hi students, this is an arrangement that uses the F chord. We talked about the F chord in the last lesson. It's the first chord where you have one finger presses down two strings, and the strings are the first and the second in the first fret, and then with the second finger you're pressing down the second fret on the G string or the third string, and then your ring finger presses down the third fret on the D string, and you only play those strings that are being pressed down. So it's 4, 3, 2, 1. And remember, the F chord is movable, so on the second fret it's actually F sharp. We play G like this, but it can also be played in the F diagram position on the third fret. So let's look at this piece. It's by the Box Tops. They were considered blue-eyed soul. They shared the city. They lived in a city that was very musical in the Midwest. Their friend was Booker T. Washington and the MGs. And you might remember Booker T. For the very distinctive Hammond organ centered pieces. Green Onions. It appears in American Graffiti, and you hear that do do do, and he was their friend. He was a friend. So they were all in a musical colony there, and the Box Tops still perform. I mean, a friend told me he saw them in '95 in Texas, and I saw them 3 years ago at the Orange County Fair. Now the chords are A minor. And each chord is about a measure, like 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Lonely days are gone, I'm a-going home. My baby, she wrote me a letter. You have E, and you have C. Those three strange chords on the very right, it says that they can be played as a outro. It goes up a half step, but we won't be doing that. Also, the chorus, well, she wrote me a letter, 2 beats each. That kind of moves. Well, she wrote me a letter, said she couldn't live without me no more. That's 2 measures, but 2 beats. Listen, mister, can't you see? I've got to get back to my baby once more. Anyway, so let me find a good metronome marking so I don't rush. And it's a very easy, slow 4/4. The original song was much faster. It was give me a ticket for an airplane, and it had they kind of blew the notes, which gives it a really good vocal sound. Here we go. No intro, right on. Give me 1, 2, ready, play. Give me a ticket for an airplane. Ain't got time to take a fast train. Lonely days are gone, I'm a-going home. 'Cause baby, you wrote me a letter. I don't care how much money I've got to spend. Got to get back to my baby again. Lonely days are gone, I'm a-going home. My baby just wrote me a letter. Well, she wrote me a letter, said she couldn't live without me no more. Listen, mister, can't you see? I've got to get back to my baby once more. Anyway, so take this slow, and you're utilizing the F, which comes early. And then, of course, the chorus is much quicker. It's 2 beats per chord. Well, she wrote me letters, couldn't live without me no more. You hold on to the G. Listen, mister, can't you see?